Hola! In this video you will learn 8 essential Spanish adjectives to describe people and things. Those are super useful and easy to remember. Let's start. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you! Grande, grande, big. And as an example, el oso es grande. The bear is big. Pequeño, small. El ratón es pequeño. The mouse is small. Alto, alto, tall. And some examples. Mi hermano es muy alto. My brother is very tall. Bajo, short. Bajo. And as an example, soy más bajo que tú. I'm shorter than you. Soy más bajo que tú. Largo, long. Largo, long. And as an example, mi cabello es largo. My hair is long. Corto, short. Corto. Tengo un pantalón corto. I have shorts. Rápido, fast. Rápido. You need to play with the air here. And as an example, el coche es rápido. The car is fast. And the last one, lento. Slow. Lento. La tortuga es lenta. The turtle is slow. And that's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more and have a lovely day. Bye!